Hello friends, welcome to my channel Zingful Life. I hope you all are hale and hearty. Friends, today I have come up with a review video on my own automatic Maruti Suzuki Celerio ZXi Petrol 2016 model car powered by a 998cc engine. Starting off, as you can see, this is the whole driving panel. And here we have one airbag on the driver's verge. This is the windscreen wiper section. It also has a rear wiper. These are the control functions of the steering wheel, so that while driving we can control and alter the functions with our fingers only. So here's the volume section. This is the channel explore section. Here we have the mode changing option to adjust the pace, pitch and range of the music. Also while driving, if sometimes I have to pick up any call or attend any call, then these functions are also there. I just need to connect via Bluetooth and from here I can pick up the call and disconnect. Okay, so now let's start the car. As you can see here, this is the fuel meter and the mileage is also displayed here. Right now it's on neutral mode. Meanwhile, I can show you some of the other functions also. These are the knobs for various modes of fan circulation. This is the speed controller of the front AC. Well, it has a single zone and a common fan front AC. So now moving on to the gear section. Being an AMT model, we have three modes for driving: neutral and reverse. Manual override transmission is also available here. So it's a very smooth transition while driving on the AMT mode like this. And it's quite easy also. Now this is the entertainment and communication section. It has 4 speakers. It's USB compatible, aux compatible, Bluetooth compatible. MP3 playback is there. You can play CDs also. AM and FM radio is also there. iPod compatibility is also there and whatnot. Plus it has a steering mounted control, as I have already told you earlier. You can control the functions while driving. It's quite easy. So friends, in this model you will also find an electrically adjustable ORVM that enables the driver to adjust or control the side view mirrors from this power knob here. The front and rear windows, all of these are power windows and you can just control them with this cabin like this. Locking and unlocking section is also on the driver's cabin panel here. Central locking and child safety lock is also there. So this is the USB slot. You can connect your phone in this slot and you can also charge your phone while driving. And a power socket section is also there. Here I am specifically showing you the pedal section. In AMT you just need to control only these two sections, the brake section and the accelerator section. No clutches there, and this is the main emphasizing point that makes an AMT stand apart from a manual model, like the smoothness and easy sailing drive-through experience one gets while driving an AMT model. And now finally let us start off the car. First I am putting off the handbrake. Now I just need to change the mode from neutral to drive while keeping my right foot firmly on the brake pedal, and then slowly releasing the foot, shifting it to the accelerator section, and here we have a smooth drive. It's actually quite lucid and very comfortable too. Very smooth drive. Friends, here you can see that while driving the gear has automatically changed to third, and I'm just controlling the accelerator section and not concerned about the clutch or brake or anything. Spectacular feature, isn't it? So these were some of the technical features. Now moving on to the review part. Friends, I have been using this car for last 4 years and till now I haven't faced any glitch or any kind of malfunction with this model. Let me tell you, I learnt driving a manual gear car and for me it was quite hectic and strenuous to adjust clutch, brake and accelerator all at the same time. So I couldn't really enjoy driving with a manual model. It was a very mechanical kind of process. But when I got this AMT model, I thoroughly enjoyed driving and still have the same notion. The difference actually lies in the fact that an AMT model is comparatively much easier to drive, also equally lucid to learn. One more advantage is that automatic transmission enables us to have a better grip and firmness on the wheels all the time, which is not possible with a manual transmission. Plus, it is easier to use in heavy traffic. Overall, more work goes into starting, accelerating, de-accelerating and stopping the manual transmission. You get my point. Automatic transmissions allow the driver to move through heavy traffic without having to do more than push a single pedal. So it also reduces the risk of accidental stalling of vehicle when the traffic light changes. Now coming to this model of Maruti, I would like to give extra points to the portability factor. I mean, it's neither too large nor too small in size. The design, overall look is very sleek and trendy, and at the same time it's that much flexible and compact in size that you can easily wave off and get through any kind of heavy traffic and narrow lanes. The mileage of this model comes around 18 to 19 kilometers per liter. So I have given you an overall view of the technical features plus my review of this model after using it for consecutive 4 years, actually last 4 years. In my opinion, friends, this model is of par excellence in terms of smoothness, flexibility and especially the uncomplicated approach towards driving. Also, I believe that AMT models are here in the field for the long haul. And with this, I wrap up my words and would love to hear you from all in the comment section. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. As of now, I'm signing off. Bye bye and take care.